Craving something delicious and easy? Today we're making a pan-seared chicken breast with roasted red pepper sauce over turmeric rice. It's a flavor explosion that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Plus, it's packed with protein and healthy ingredients and very budget friendly. Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Farhad and I specialize in helping you create quick, healthy meals without the hassle. From weight loss friendly dishes to affordable recipes for busy individuals, singles, and seniors, I've got something for everyone, along with plenty of kitchen hacks to make cooking a breeze. Today, I have another great, tasty, healthy, and easy dish to share with you. Let's dive right into it. Now, this process is totally optional, but sometimes I like to use a meat mallet and tenderize the chicken breast. I have about a pound of chicken breast, thinly sliced. So I want to tenderize them first, and then I'm going to season them. I'm going to go ahead and season them with some paprika, and then just a dash of cayenne pepper. That's optional. Just give it a little kick. And some Italian seasoning. Now we're going to saute the chicken breast in some olive oil. I have it on medium heat. And this process probably take about 3 to 5 minutes or so. We want to turn the chicken over after a minute or so. So every couple of minutes, we want to flip the chicken over. So make sure the each side gets cooked properly. The other thing the tenderizing does is makes the chicken cook faster. And since these are thinly sliced too, and that's even helps. So we're pretty much done here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sauce to it, the Parmesan cheese on top, and then we're going to simmer it for about 5 minutes, and it's ready to go. All right, we're going to add the sauce, roasted red pepper sauce, and then now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And then 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese grated. There we go. And then I'm going to simmer it on just below medium heat for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to keep my eyes on it every once in a while. So we want the sauce to kind of thicken up a little bit. Now the sauce is homemade. I'm going to leave the recipe down below the description. But if you do not want to make it, you can find them from your local supermarket in the same aisle as pasta sauce. But be sure to check the label for sodium, because some of them are very, very high in sodium. So while the chicken being simmered, we're going to go ahead and work on the rice. And the rice is partially cooked, so it's not going to be any time-consuming process. So that shouldn't take us more than a few minutes. Now for the rice, I'm using, like I mentioned, partially cooked jasmine rice. This is a jasmine. This is pretty much plain, and I usually buy this because it has no sodium. The rest of them have a lot of sodium, and then you can customize this the way you want. So since we're making a turmeric rice, first of all, we have to add some water to the rice according to the package, 2 tablespoons, and then I'm gonna turn it on. And then we'll let that to cook according to package about 4 minutes. And then I'm going to, after a couple of minutes, I'm going to add the turmeric seasoning to it, about half a teaspoon. You can also use brown rice if you prefer. So we're getting there. Okay, I'm going to add the turmeric, half a teaspoon as I mentioned. Turn them low, and let that simmer. So our chicken is done, and I garnish it with some parsley on top. And then we're gonna check on our rice. So let's check on our rice. And yes, I can see it's done. Perfect. Okay, so I used 1 packet of rice. That was about 8.5 ounces. But I know we need more, like 2 packets. But I'll go ahead and make another batch later. So let's go ahead and dish this up and enjoy it. To achieve a thicker sauce, just mix the Parmesan cheese and the sauce first and simmer until thickened, and then add the chicken to the sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, and leave me any comments or questions you may have. I'm going to include this recipe down below the description below, along with some of my favorite food products that I use regularly. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.